welcome back with another video. So in this video I am going to discuss with second part of PSM quick review. So let's get started. In case of dog bite, the biting animal should be observed for at least 10 days. In India, rabies free zone is Lakshadweep. Vaccine of yellow fever is 17 days. Yellow fever vaccination start protection after how many days of injection? 10 days. Yellow fever vaccine is valid till 10 years. Japanese encephalitis is Culex, rice-filled horseshoe symptom. KFD is transmitted by ticks. Maximum explosive of plague is determined by Chiopsis index. Is ape no of Chiopsis per rat. Highly infection. Clinical form of plague is pneumonic plague. Dose of equine anti-rabies immunoglobulin is 40 international unit per kg of body weight. Plague is caused by ratfidia. Scrub typhus is transmitted by mite. Endemic typhus is transmitted by loose. Mode of transmission of Q fever is aerosol. And R. provarjeki is transmitted by loose. Res starting peripherally is a feature of Q fever. Kala azar sandfly, man is the reservoir. Aldehyde test is positive. Leprosy commonly is spread by droplet. Most common nerve involved in leprosy is ulnar nerve. In lepromatous leprosy, the single drug dose is continued for 180 days. Lepromin test is valuable for prognosis of disease. Live attenuate yellow vaccine fever vaccine is 17D. Duration of MDT to resolve paucibacillary leprosy is 6 months. Duration of MDT to resolve multi-paucibacillary leprosy is 12 months. MTP in India can be carried out till 20-week period of gestation. World AIDS Day in 1st of December. Most common mode of HIV transmission in India is sexual transmission. Age group 30 to 44 years. In HIV infected child, which vaccine should not be given? Oral polio vaccine. First case of AIDS was reported in 1984. Most common mode of transmission from mother to child is perinatal. Scabies is caused by Sarcoptes scabies. Incubation period of cancroid is less than 7 days. Incubation period of syphilis is 19 to 19 days. Window period for HIV infection is 3 to 12 weeks. Cluster testing used in the test detection of STD, sexual transmitted disease. Incubation period less than few hours. Food poisoning. Arbovirus disease, yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis, dengue and chikungunya. SSP, subacute sclerosing panencephalitis associated with measles. Keratomalacia is associated with measles and diarrhea. Animal to man transmission is seen in rabies, Japanese encephalitis, vector-borne disease epidemics, typhus, KFT, and Japanese encephalitis. Virus documented to cause fetal damage is parvovirus, varicella. Incubation period less than 1 week is Corella. Sore test incubation period is associated with influenza than cholera. Agent can be used in bioterrorism is plague. Clinical features of botulism is constipation, ocular nerve paralysis, blurring of vision. Polymorphism is seen in the chickenpox. Disease transmitted by water is polio. Leptospira icteria, hemorrhagic infection is transmitted by rat. Cyclops is an intermediate host for guinea worm. Isolation is not useful in polio. Tick-borne diseases, tularemia. Incubation period in staphylococcal food poisoning 1 to 6 hours. Man is dead and for rabies, tetanus, Japanese encephalitis. Antigenic shift and drift occur in measles. Yaws caused by trypanosoma pertenue. Iceberg phenomena is seen in hypertension, leprosy, and tuberculosis. Plague is metazoonosis. Most common cancer among female is cervical. Most common cancer worldwide lung. Field carcinogenesis is seen in head and neck carcinoma. Most common affecting Indian urban women breast cancer. Which cancer can be prevented by screening? Cervix, breast, prostate, colon. Obesity index, BRCA, ponderal, quetelet, and corpulence and Lorentz. BMI is also known as quetelet index. Abdominal fat accumulation is assisted by base to hip ratio. Commonest cause of blindness in India is cataract. WHO defines blindness if the visual acuity is less than 3/60. Most common cause of ocular morbidity in India is refraction error. Least common cause of heart disease in India is congenital. ISD is associated with LDL. Glycosylated hemoglobin reflect that mean blood glucose level of previous is 3 months. ASA per 1 per 100 population, female age 25 to 45 year, minimum education till 8th class, NRHM. Provide medical care for minor alignment. Single dose of nevirapine therapy is used for prevention of mother to child transmission of HIV. Should be administration within 72 hours to child onset of labor pain to mother 200 mg. Vitamin A prophylaxis is given to infant every 6 months. Vitamin A preventing deficiency in preschool child age 1 to 6 years for every 6 months is 2 lakh international unit. Amount of glucose recommended by WHO standard oral glucose tolerance test 75 gram. Glucose in ORS is increased sodium plus sodium absorption. According to Indian blindness definition, finger counting is done at distance of 6 meter. Total carbohydrate amount provided in midday meal scheme is 300 gram. Patient on DOTS category first should visit to follow up 2 for 6 months. Trachoma single drug treatment azithromycin. According to registration of birth and death in 1969, the birth and death are to be registered respectively in 21 days and 21 days. Antitubercle drug contraindicated during pregnancy is streptomycin. Ethambutol is associated with red-green color blindness, not given to children less than 6 years. Radio opaque material in copper T, barium sulfate. Pulse polio immunization covers 0 to 5 year children. Daily dose of folic acid in pregnant women is 400 mg. Helpline for AIDS can be reached by dialing 1097. Plasmodium vivax is pregnancy should be treated by chloroquine. Malaria control program single dose chloroquine 600 mg is given after taking blood smear. Minimum level of iodine in iodized salt is 15 ppm. National health policy is based on primary health care. License to blood bank is given by Drug Controller General of India. 100-day cough is whooping cough in pertussis. Low birth weight is less than 2.5 kg and Progesterone releases 65 mcg per day progesterone. Most common complaint of IUD insertion is bleeding. Most common disorder to be screened is neonatal hypothyroidism. Juvenile is less than 16 years of male, less than 18 years of female. Protein requirement 1 gram per kg per day. Most important essential fatty acid linoleic acid. Richest source of vitamin A and D is halibut liver oil. Richest source of vitamin C is amla. Adult pregnant female are anemic if hemoglobin less than 11%. Optimum level of fluorine intake is 0.5 to 0.8 ppm. IQ is equal to mental age chronical age into 100. Accidental level of chloroquine in water is 0.5 mg. Water seal in sanitary latrine is 2 cm. Most common occupational cancer is skin cancer. Census takes place every 10 years. 1 PHC is for a population of 30,000. 8 days disease is tetanus neonatal. Milk is poor in vitamin C and iron. Pellagra is niacin deficiency. Anopheles larva rest parallel to under surface of water. Aedes larva bred in artificial collection of water. Multi-purpose worker were introduced by Qatar Singh Committee. War Committee is 1946. Failure rate of condom is 2 to 14%. Sex ratio is calculated as number of female, number of male into 100. Crude death rate is number of death by total mid-year population into 100. Sex ratio of India is 933. The growth rate of India annually is 1.93%. Total fertility rate is completed family size. Eligible couple is married couple with wife in reproductive age group. WHO define adolescence as between 10 to 19 years of age. A disease occurring before the age of 65 years is pre-senile. In which stage of demographic cyclic in India currently light expanding. Denominator in crude death, crude birth rate, mid-year population. Measured in Pearl index, number of accidental gestation. Oligospermia according to WHO is less than 20 million sperm per HPF. Example of conventional contraception is condom. Natural method of contraception include rhythm method, coitus interrupt and breast. Next one, feeding calendar method, Willing method, symptomatic method, vessel body temperature. Absence of sperm is azoospermia. Most common side effect of IUD insertion, bleeding. Temporary contraceptive method of choice in 37-year well-educated women in diaphragm. Conventional contraceptive are those which require action at time of intercourse. Oral contraceptive pills protect against fibroedema, breast, iron deficiency anemia, ovarian cancer. Side effect of OCP, liver disease, breast cancer, thromboembolism. Pearl index is normally used in studying effectiveness of the contraception. Pearl index is used to evaluate contraceptive method. Natural method of contraception is most effective. symptothermic method, barrier method, diaphragm, foam tablet, vaginal sponge, spermicide used in the contraceptive 9-nanoxynol, copper T preferably inserted perinatal after 8 weeks, copper T 30 IUCD should be replaced every 10 years. Nava T has silver core. Absolute contraindication of IUCD is PID. Pelvic inflammatory disease, serious complication of oral contraceptive, leg vein thrombosis, malign nodestosterone 1 mg, ethinyl estradiol 30 mch. Side effect of mini pill is irregular bleeding and depression. Mini pill contain only progesterone in small quantity. Postcoital contraceptive OCP RU400 copper T. Most cost effective in contraceptive is vasectomy. Breastfeeding must be initiated within after normal delivery 1 hour, and if lower cesarean section then 4 hours. Current recommendation for initiated breastfeeding as early as possible. School health examination must be done every 6 months. Recommended door and window area in class must be 25%. According to protocol for uncomplicated pregnancy, number of minimum visit must be 3. According to protocol for IDEAS visit must be 13 to 14. Ideal visit. Content of pediatric iron, folic acid, iron 20 mg, folic acid 100 mcg. Most common cause of neonatal meningitis in India, group B streptococcus. Low birth weight in India defined as birth weight less than 2500 gram. Weight for newborn triple at the age of 1 year. Assessment of malnutrition is done by mid-arm circumferences and VMI and weight for age. Nutritional status for the child by assessed by mid-arm circumferences. Post-term pregnancy is more than 42 weeks period of gestation. Breastfeeding is contraindicated when open TB. Height of newborn double as 4 years. Which immunoglobulin is present in breast milk? IgA. Most common cause of neonatal mortality in India, low birth weight and prematurity. Most common maternal mortality in India, hemorrhage. Normal requirement of iron during pregnancy is 38 mg per day. Guthrie test is done for neonate for mass screening for phenylketonuria. Amount of calories and protein received by a pregnant woman from Anganwadi worker is 500 kilocalories, 25 gram protein. After birth, care of eye of newborn is by AGNO3 eye drop. Additional daily energy requirement during first 6 months for a lactating woman is 550 kilocalorie. Preterm baby before 37 of week. Folic acid supplementation during lactation period is 150 mcg. Elemental iron supplement in iron deficiency anemia 100 to 150 mg. Osteomalacia in pregnancy and lactation is best treated by vitamin D and calcium. Daily need of calories in pregnancy is 2500 kilocalorie. Postnatal period extend for 6 weeks. Perinatal mortality rate include death in 28 week and first week after birth. Stillbirth 1000 gram baby weight. Denominator of maternal mortality rate is 1000 live birth. Commonest cause of perinatal mortality in India is prematurity. WHO reference growth chart curve is 3rd percentile. Upper line in growth chart is 50 percentile. Best parameter for assessment of chronic malnutrition, height for age. Mid-arm circumference is containing during 1 to 5 years. Population to Anganwadi center is 1000 MTP is allowed up to 20 weeks. Pasteurization of milk is determined by phosphatase test. Pellagra and Castle's necklace is seen in deficiency of vitamin B3 and niacin. Iron tablet should never be given along with one dose of vitamin A. Prophylaxis required by a 9-month-old child is 1 lakh international unit. Daily total requirement of iodine by an adult 150 mcg. Antioxidant vitamin include vitamin A, C and E. Calories in 100 ml breast milk is 75 kilocalorie. Thank you.